Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question answer of the play Malini. Let's begin. Malini, Rabindranath Tagore, play. Characters: Malini, Princess of Kashi, influenced by Buddhism. Kemankar, a Brahmin and kills Supriya. Supriya, friend of Kemankar. King, Malini's father. Queen, Malini's mother. Prince, Malini's brother. Great crowd of people. King's palace. Foreign soldiers. Hindu kingdom Kashi. Summary: The event takes place in a Hindu kingdom Kashi. यो घटना हिन्दू राज्य काशीमा घटेको हो। In the beginning of the play, the king, the queen and Malini are seen on the balcony of the palace. यो नाटकको सुरुवातमा राजा, रानी र मालिनी दरबारको बाल्कोनीमा देखिन्छन्। There is a great crowd of people outside the palace. र दरबारको अगाडि ठूलो भिड हुन्छ मान्छेहरूको। They are chanting slogans demanding Malini's banishment. र तिनीहरूले मालिनीको देश निकालाको नाराबाजी गरिरहेको हुन्छन्। The king is worried because of Malini. मालिनीको कारणले गर्दा राजा एकदमै चिन्तित हुन्छन्। She was taught by the Buddhist monk and she was influenced by them. मालिनीलाई शिक्षा दीक्षा बुद्धिस्ट मङ्कहरूबाट प्रदान गर्यो कारणले बुद्ध धर्मप्रति नै आकर्षित हुन्छन्। So she followed Buddhism. त्यसकारणले उनीले बुद्ध धर्मको अनुसरण गर्छिन्। Because of this reason, the Brahmins, Kemankar and some of Supriya were angry with Malini. र यस कारणले गर्दाखेरि ब्राह्मीणहरू जसमा केमाङ्कर र केही हदसम्म सुप्रिया पनि मालिनीदेखि एकदमै रिसाएका हुन्छन्। They called her heresy and demanded her banishment to protect her Hinduism. तिनीहरूले मालिनीलाई आफ्नो धर्म विरोधी भन्छन् र देश निकाला गर्नुपर्छ भनेर माग राख्छन्। Malini lived very simple life and dressed simply. मालिनी राजकुमारी भए तापनि सामान्य जीवनशैली र सामान्य लुगा लगाउने हुन्छन्। She wanted to live among poor people and serve them. उनी गरिब मान्छेहरूकै बीचमा रहेर तिनीहरूको सेवा गर्न चाहन्छन्। She also didn't like to trouble her father because of her. आफ्नो कारणले गर्दाखेरि आफ्नो बुवालाई दुःख दिन पनि चाहदिनन्। Slogans were going on outside. बाहिर नाराबाजी लागिरहेकै हुन्छ। The Brahmins began to find a way to save their old religion. आफ्नो पुरानो धर्म बचाउनको लागि ब्राह्मणहरूले थुप्रै तरिकाहरू अपनाइरहेका हुन्छन्। So a Brahmin began to read some lines from their religious book. त्यही भएर एकजना ब्राह्मणले आफ्नो धार्मिक पुस्तकबाट केही लाइनहरू पढिरहेको हुन्छ। The Brahmins prayed to goddess to come and save religion. र ती ब्राह्मणहरूले प्रार्थना गरिरहेको हुन्छन् देवीलाई आफ्नो धर्म बचाइदिनको लागि। Suddenly Malini appeared and immediately convinced by her. त्यसपछि अचानक मालिनी त्यही भिडमा आइपुग्छिन् र सबै मान्छेहरूलाई मनाउन सफल हुन्छन्। And they followed her. र त्यसपछि मालिनीकै अनुसरण गर्न सुरु गर्छन्। But Kemankar was firm to his idea. तर केमाङ्कर आफ्नै विचारमा अडिग रहिरहेको छ। He wanted to complete his work at any cost. र ऊ कुनै पनि हालतमा आफ्नो काम गरेरै छोड्ने भन्छ। So he decided to go to a foreign country and bring foreign soldiers to fight against the king's army. त्यही भएर उसले राजाको आर्मीसँग लड्नको लागि विदेशमा गएर विदेशी सेना जम्मा गरेर ल्याउने निर्णय गर्छ। He asked Supriya to be faithful to him and send the message of the kingdom to him. र उसले सुप्रियालाई आफ्नो राज्यको सूचनाहरू पठाउन र आफूलाई विश्वासघात नगर्नको लागि भन्छ। बट मालिनी इन्फ्लुएन्स सुप्रिया टु, तर मालिनीले सुप्रियालाई पनि प्रभावित गर्छिन्। एज मालिनी एन्ड सुप्रिया वर टकिङ इन द प्यालेस गार्डन, मालिनी आस्क्ड हिम अबाउट केमाङ्कर। दरबारको बगैँचामा कुराकानी गरिरहेको बेलामा मालिनीले केमाङ्करको बारेमा सोध्छिन् सुप्रियालाई। सुप्रिया टोल्ड हर एभ्रिथिङ अबाउट केमाङ्कर एन्ड अल्सो सेड द्याट ही सोड हिज लेटर टु द किङ। सुप्रियाले केमाङ्करको बारेमा सबै कुरा उनलाई भन्छ र केमाङ्करले पठाएको चिठी आफूले राजालाई पनि देखाइदिएको भनेर भन्छ। द किङ सेन्ट हिज सोल्जर्स टु अरेस्ट केमाङ्कर, राजाले केमाङ्करलाई पक्रनको लागि आफ्नो सिपाहीहरू पठाउँछन्। ही वाज ब्राउड टु द प्यालेस टाइड विथ चेन्स, र उसलाई सिक्रीले बाँधेर दरबारमा ल्याइन्छ। द किङ वान्टेड टु किल हिम इमिडिएटली, राजाले केमाङ्करलाई तत्कालै मार्न चाहन्छन्। बट सुप्रिया रिक्वेस्टेड द किङ नट टु किल केमाङ्कर, तर सुप्रियाले राजासँग अनुरोध गरेको हुन्छ कि केमाङ्करलाई नमार्नको लागि। केमाङ्कर वाज सो फर्म टु हिज आइडिया द्याट ही चुज हिज डेथ रादर देन सरेन्डरिङ, केमाङ्कर आफ्नो कुरामा एकदमै अडिग हुन्छ, त्यसकारणले गर्दाखेरि आत्मसमर्पण गर्नुभन्दा मृत्यु नै मर्न चाहन्छु भनेर सुनाउँछ। ही वान्टेड टु सी सुप्रिया एज हिज लास्ट विस, र आफ्नो अन्तिम इच्छाको रूपमा सुप्रियालाई भेट्छु भन्छ। देन सुप्रिया वेन्ट नियर टु हिम, दे डिबेट सम टाइम एन्ड बिङ फ्युरियस केमाङ्कर हिट सुप्रिया विथ द चेन। सुप्रिया केमाङ्करको नजिक जान्छन् र तिनीहरू दुईजनामा एकदमै वाद विवाद हुन्छ र रिसले चुर भएपछि केमाङ्करले चाहिँ आफूलाई बाँधेको चेनले हानेर सुप्रियालाई मारिदिन्छन्। सुप्रिया वाज किल्ड सो किङ बिकम एङ्ग्री एन्ड टुक सो टु किल केमाङ्कर, सुप्रिया मारिएपछि राजा एकदमै रिसाउँछन् र आफ्नो तरबार निकालेर केमाङ्करलाई मार्न लाग्छन्। बट मालिनी रिक्वेस्टेड द किङ टु पार्डन केमाङ्कर, तर मालिनीले केमाङ्करलाई क्षमा गर्दिन राजासँग अनुरोध गर्छिन्। Long questions. Sketch the character of Malini. Malini is the protagonist of Rabindranath Tagore's play Malini. She is the princess of Kashi, a land where Hinduism originated and prospered, and where her new thoughts encouraged the conservative Hindus. Although she is princess, she doesn't wear dresses of ornaments like a princess. This annoys her mother, but Malini thinks her destiny is to find richness in the poverty. Malini is inspired by a divine force of heaven. She thinks she should leave the palace and go among people. It is important because she thinks only by bridging the gap between palace and people, she can preach and rescue them from the troubled life of earth. According to her, the whole world is like a ship left by its captain on a stormy sea. The ship might destroy if she will not reach. However, once she goes out, she finds the reality quite different from what she has supposed. She asks help from Supriya in her mission, as she lacks words when she is among inhuman crowd. This might make the readers think that all her visions are in fact illusion. Nevertheless, it doesn't mean she possesses any power at all. In fact, she looks so bright that agitating Brahmins takes her as an incarnation of a goddess who has descended on the pious land of Kashi to rescue it from the possible bloodshed. Malini is taught by Buddhist monk. Accordingly, she is very much influenced by its philosophy, non-violence and peace. When Supriya tells about how he informed the king about Kemankar's plan, who makes him imprisoned, she doesn't like it. She thinks her heart is big enough to greet even the opponent. Not only that, when Kemankar kills Supriya, she pleads the king to forgive him. Remarkable thing is that Supriya is very dear to her and the king wants her to marry him. She is young and beautiful girl. She is kind-hearted, gentle and sensitive girl. She loves to live simple life and high thinking. She is intelligent enough to convince Brahmins. Show or draw a character sketch of Supriya and show how he is different from Kemankar. Kemankar and Supriya were close friends. They were leading the revolutionary together. They were leading the revolution together. We first meet Supriya with Kemankar when the Brahmins were protesting against Malini. All of a sudden, Malini comes there. The other Brahmins became in her side and Kemankar was left alone. Supriya was with Kemankar. Supriya is a learned man and he is not conservative like his friend. He does not like to prove the supremacy of religion by physical force. He knew that there were many drawbacks of the religion, and so we find him in the favor of correcting them. He is very bold because he told all these things to the Brahmins. However, Supriya has certain weakness. His weakness is that he does not have his own standing. Till Kemankar was there, he was influenced by him, and when he went in next country, he was influenced by Malini. As a whole, Supriya is a nice gentleman. He did not like that there should be bloodshed in the name of religion, so he showed Kemankar's letter to the king. He loves his friends, so he repeatedly requested the king to forgive Kemankar. He is really genuine because he didn't become ready to marry Malini. Though Kemankar and Supriya are close friends, there are many differences between two. First, Kemankar is stricter in determination than Supriya. Kemankar is more conservative, Supriya is liberal. He is ready to accept the drawbacks of his religion and the good things of others' religion, but Kemankar is blind to his religion. Short questions. Why does Kemankar leave the kingdom? Kemankar leaves the kingdom to collect arms and armies so he can attack the kingdom to change the kingship. He wants to punish Malini to interrupting the old Hindu religion. He leaves the kingdom just to come back with a threat to stop the spread of the Buddhism. Why were the Brahmins demanding for the banishment of Malini? The Brahmins were demanding for the king's daughter Malini's banishment because of her new religion. Buddhism was quite opposite than their old Hindu religion. They thought that she was heretic. She was spreading the Buddhism all around the kingdom. It was intolerable to those Brahmins, so they were demanding her banishment from the palace. What is the reason that Malini asks for her own banishment from the palace? She thinks that she is born for the world, not for the palace. As people demand it for her banishment, she thinks their request must be granted. She doesn't like to be disobedient. She doesn't like to give trouble to anybody. So Malini asks her own banishment to free the king from the trouble. These are the reasons that Malini asks her own banishment from the palace. How is the character of Supriya differed from that of Kemankar? Supriya was flexible and changeable. He believes in reality. He is kind-hearted, faithful, and a non-violent person. He believes everyone without any doubts. He is simple-minded. Supriya is different from Khemankar in many points. Supriya is dilemma to follow Khemankar or Malini, but Khemankar is so fond of his own land. Supriya is betrayer of his own friend. Supriya is influenced by Malini, but Khemankar is not. Supriya is non-violent, but Khemankar loves it. Khemankar is more brave and courageous than Supriya. Supriya supports the Malini at last, but Khemankar always hates her. Supriya wants to save Khemankar's life, but Khemankar kills Supriya. Give a character sketch of Malini. Malini is an image of love. Forgiving is the good aspect that we find in her. She loves to live simple life and dress. She doesn't like to hurt anyone. She wanted to win hatred with love. She is young and sensitive, intelligent and peace lover. She is not a common girl. Would you call Supriya a betrayer? Give reason for your answer. In a glance, he is a betrayer because he betrays the Khemankar to give his letter to the king. I don't call Supriya is betrayer because he is so afraid that Khemankar is going to kill the Malini. So he just wants to stop murder and violence in the palace. His desire is not arrested the Khemankar, so that he is not interested king's prize, and he requests to the king to forgive the Khemankar. If he is a betrayer, he won't go near the Khemankar, knowing his anger, so he is an innocent. What was the revolt against? Against Malini, against the king, against the Buddhism. Kashi is one of the centers where Hinduism originated and prospered. It is also the palace highly dominated by Brahmins. Remarkable things are that the Brahmins enjoy the great freedom in Hindu society. In such condition, any blow to the dominant religious creed may result in disadvantage of all Brahmins. Therefore, when Malini comes out with a new concept influenced by Buddhism, all the Brahmins get united against her and shouted for her banishment. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously, and keep suggesting us. See you soon.